Yes. So let us continue now. So just give me the value of AST provided here. 5 bars of 32.
4021.23.
4021.2. Yes. So this is what is required, and this we are providing. So can you see that actually the difference is quite huge? So is there any other combination where you can actually provide slightly more than this? Yes, are you getting what I'm trying to say? Yes, any other combination, anyone? But in this case, actually the difference is quite huge, right? अच्छा ये बताओ मुझे, ये कितना आ रहा है 3 bars of 20?
942.47.
942, right? Point what you told?
47.
Okay, so apart from this, any other combination AST provided? I think Anis is
4
saying
bars
something.
of 25 and 2 bars of 32.
4 bars of 25 and 2 bars of 32. ये कितना हो रहा है?
Three five 3571.99.
3571 हो रहा है ना? So it is less than this, so we cannot take that combination. This.
So 4 bars of 32 and 1 bar of 25.
4 bars of 32 and 1 bar. 5 कैसे प्रोवाइड करोगे? ये थोड़ा सा 1 bar of 25. ठीक है, तो जितना पॉसिबल हो सके सिमेट्रिक we should try to keep. ठीक है, so I think Anis is saying 4 bars of 32 and 2 bars of 16. Can you give me the AST provided in that case? 4 bars of 32 and 2 bars of 16. AST provided बताओ. Three six one nine. ठीक है, 3619. So this is absolutely fine. देखो slightly more than है, 3585 है, 3619. Absolutely fine with this. ठीक है, so we can take this. You can also, ठीक है, those who have given me this value, तुम इनके साथ check करो. 8 bars of 25, Rida is saying. Can you tell me the width of the beam, Rida? The width of the beam here is 300. So 4 bars of 25 congested हो जाएगा 2 layer में, फिर 3 layer actually ज़्यादा हो जाएंगे बहुत. So this combination is very well suited. Is this 4 bars of 32 and 2 bars of 16. Is this clear? So now let us do the check. Okay, so I'll just show you how we are going to provide the steel also. ठीक है, तो ये 4 ये combination कैसे provide करेंगे that I'm showing. ठीक है, 4 bars of 32. So this is 32 and this is 32. Let us say this is the separator bar, and again this is 32 and this is 32, and this is 16 and this is 16. Is this clear everyone? और top में this is 3 bars of 20. Okay, is this fine? ठीक है, ये है मेरा 2 bars of 16. ठीक है, ये है 4 bars of 32 और ये है 2 bars of 16. Yes, this is clear to everyone कि कैसे प्लेसमेंट करना है ये कॉम्बिनेशन का. ठीक है, सो इट इज ऑलवेज बेटर जो हाईएस्ट डायमीटर है उसको लोअर लेयर में स्टार्ट करना है और जो लोअर डायमीटर है फिर उसको ऊपर प्रोवाइड करना है. सो नाउ प्रोवाइड द चेक. फर्स्ट XU निकाल के बताओ मुझे. CU इक्वल टू TU. गिव मी द वैल्यू ऑफ XU नाउ. तो CU1 प्लस CU2 is equal to TU. Will give you the value of XU. Okay, so this we are providing the check for this doubly reinforced. Okay, so this is the AST provided and this is the AST. Okay, sorry, 942.47 is your AST provided. Okay, ये AST provided and this is AST provided. So now give me the value of XU from this first check. Yes, all of you. Yes, anyone got the value? 360.8 is the value of XU. Yes, what about others? CU1 क्या है? 0.36 FCKB into XU 360.73 plus FSC into ASC is equal to 0.87 FY into AST. Yes, everyone getting this? 360.8.
$360.7, sir.
Yes. $360.74. Okay, but our XU max is 360 only, right? So how you have done actually? Why still people are posting their attendance? Okay, so how you are finding out? This is what 0.36 FCK कितना है 25 and B is 300. XU is the unknown. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे what we have to do, FSC को भी XU के टर्म्स में लिखना है. ठीक है, FSC का इक्वेशन क्या है? 700 into 1 minus D dash upon XU. ठीक है, into AST whatever is the ASC and which is equal to 0.87 FY into AST जो भी provided है. ठीक है, so जहाँ पे भी ये मैं लिख रहा हूँ ये provided है. So now give me the value of XU. ठीक है, so this in this case what we are doing, we are actually finding out the actual value.
सर लेकिन ऐसे तो एफएससी का वैल्यू बहुत हाई होता है ना, 500 के आसपास.
हाँ, इससे कितना आ रहा है FSC का वैल्यू? because at this point we are not taking the permissible value, we are actually finding out the actual XU. ठीक है, इसके पहले के एनालिसिस में हमने परमिसिबल लेके सॉल्व किया है, और ये केस में जो XU अननोन है उसको फाइंड आउट करना है. Yes, so in this case XU is 300.57. ठीक है, बिकॉज इन दैट केस हमने तो देखो स्लाइटली मोर देन ही प्रोवाइड किया है. 585 है और 600 है, फिर तो अंडर इनफोर्स्ड आएगा ही नहीं वो केस में. आर यू गेटिंग? अगर ये कॉम्बिनेशन लेते फिर तो कोई स्कोप ही नहीं है अंडर इनफोर्स्ड. We have actually taken this value, the least value possible. So this is the value of XU. So therefore, XU is less than XU max. So hence, it is under enforced section. अभी second criteria check करो. Yes, second criteria anyone?
मैं भी क्या करूँ, आप बोला तो सही मैंने.
Yes, others,
एक बार
those who are not answering can mute themselves. ठीक है, so while you are attending the lectures, please do not do multitasking. ठीक है, I know that you all are at home, but still try to maintain that, you know, privacy whenever you are attending the lectures. Yes, MR, anyone got the value?
815.05.
कितना?
815.05.
815.05. Yes, what about others? Others also getting the same, just confirm. Okay, I'll just write the equation. Okay, I hope this equation everybody knows. MR
सर इसमें
for a doubly
एफएससी क्या
reinforced
लेना है?
section. Sorry?
सर इसमें एफएससी का वैल्यू क्या लेना है?
हाँ, इसमें FSC का वैल्यू जो परमिसिबल है वो लेना. ठीक है, जो स्टार्टिंग में हमने फाइंड आउट किया था. ठीक है, तो रिमेंबर दिस, ये FSC कितना था जो हमने 353. ठीक है, 353 लेना. So now give me the value.
इसमें ये सब में XU तो अपन जो अभी 300.57 है वो ले रहे हैं.
Exactly.
और फिर सर
Right. ठीक है, FSC परमिसिबल से ज्यादा नहीं ले रहे ना हम. FSC परमिसिबल देखो स्टार्टिंग में we had found out. So यहाँ पे FSC 353 लेना है. ठीक है, और जब ये XU निकालेंगे तो एक्चुअल इक्वेशन से XU निकालना है. अंडरस्टूड? ठीक है, so this, keep this in mind. Yes, now anyone got the value of MR? ठीक है, do you want me to write all the terms? FC के कितना है? 25.
सर तो इसके अंदर तो वैल्यू कम ही आएगा ना? सर क्योंकि पहले अपने एक्सयू लिमिटिंग लिया था, यहाँ पे एक्सयू कम है.
हाँ तो एक्चुअल एक्सयू के लिए चेक कर रहे हैं ना हम, कैपेसिटी एमआर जो एक्चुअल एक्सयू है उसके लिए फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन सर स्टील तो XU 360 लेके निकाले है ना।
XU 360 लेके कौन सी वैल्यू निकाले? 360 is your XU max, correct? प्लस FSC कितना है 353 इंटू ASC प्रोवाइडेड कितना है आई थिंक 942 और D माइनस D डैश D 750 एंड D डैश इज 70। ठीक है, इसका वैल्यू कितना आ रहा है?
730.77
730 को जा रहा है।
730.77 आ रहा है ना। So what does this imply? So this is actually अपना एक्टिंग मोमेंट कितना है?
800
800 है, yes. So this is actually less than mu, which is 800. So this will become unsafe. So now how will you get this safe? ठीक है, so MR में actually अपना unsafe आ रहा है. So now what you will do?
More compression steel.
Exactly. ठीक है, तो ये केस में क्या करना पड़ेगा, कंप्रेशन स्टील बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि टेंसाइल स्टील बढ़ाएंगे तो ओवर इन्फोर्स हो जाएगा. तो अपने पास स्कोप क्या बचा है, टू स्लाइटली इंक्रीज द कंप्रेशन स्टील. सो compression steel we had provided 3 bars of 20, so we can change that, we can increase that. So instead of 3 bars of 20, let us provide 3 bars of 25. ठीक है, and then check. So now all of you, let us provide compression steel as 3 bars of 25. Therefore provide 3 bars of 25 mm dia instead of 3 bars of 20 mm dia at the compression side. ठीक है, so therefore now ASC कितना हो जाएगा, give me the value.
1472.62
1472.6. ठीक है, तो ASC now we got. So now find out again XU and MR. ठीक है, so to come this in safe, ठीक है, to make this in safe MR, ठीक है, you can, first choice is you can increase the compression reinforcement, ठीक है, and you can also increase the tension reinforcement, just provided that कि तुम्हारा over reinforce नहीं होना चाहिए, XU should not be greater than XU max. Understood? So whenever you do this problem, so first try to increase the ASC. ठीक है, you can also increase AST also, there is no problem in that. AST भी increase कर सकते हो, ASC भी increase कर सकते हो. तो first what we are doing, we are just checking by just increasing the ASC. ठीक है, अगर सिर्फ ASC increase करने से if it is coming safe, then it is fine, no problem. ठीक है, so you just give me the answer. I'm not going to write that again. First XU का direct मुझे बताओ value और second. ठीक है, we'll just confirm this check with you quickly. Give me the check. ठीक है, दोनों चेक बता दो मुझे इसके लिए.
सर 227.
ओके, तो XU आ रहा है 227 which is less than
0.84.
XU max. ठीक है, नो प्रॉब्लम. MR बताओ. Yes, anyone? Give me the value fast. Okay, so calculation you have to actually do a lot in this subject, so practice that. Has anyone got the value of MR?
Sir, still it is less than 800.
753
रहा है?
sir.
753.39.
753. Are you sure इतना ही मिल रहा है? Others,
Yes, sir.
just confirm.
तो 753.35 आ रहा है.
753.35. So again, which is less than 800. So now what you will do? Again, it is unsafe. So now in this case, everyone, okay, so again it is coming unsafe. So what you will do? Anyone? So if you just see जो लास्ट चेक हमने जो प्रोवाइड किया, XU कितना था अपना 300 है और XU मैक्स कितना है 360. करेक्ट. सो इज देयर स्कोप ऑफ इंक्रीजिंग द AST? Yes or no? Answer this question. Is there any scope of increasing the AST?
Sir, hello.
I
sir.
hope you're getting what I'm trying to say. ठीक है, XU और XU max का डिफरेंस देखो ना, 300 और 360 है, ह्यूज है. ठीक है, so there is definitely scope of increasing the AST. So now what we will do, we will increase AST also. ठीक है, so now what we will do, we will increase the AST also. ASC तो increase किया है, तो अभी next trial में क्या करेंगे, AST भी increase करेंगे. So now next trial में let us keep ASC 325 and AST let us say 532. ठीक है, अभी ये कॉम्बिनेशन में मुझे बताओ चेक करके. Now check. ठीक है, so we can increase the AST also and we have increased the ASC also. So what I told, ठीक है, first option you can increase the ASC and check. ठीक है, if that is also not sufficient, then you can increase the AST also and check. Yes, I hope everyone is calculating because we have very less time remaining. So please give me the values quickly.
So XU is 264.28.
Okay, XU is 264.28. Okay, so which is less than XU max, no problem. Next. Yes, give me the value of MR now.
Eight 806.82.
Okay, so MR is 806.82, which is finally greater than MU equal to 800. So hence it is safe. Okay, is it clear, everyone? So now this I have shown you actually to understand what if the section goes unsafe. So in that case, what you will do? Okay, so only if you're doing the problems in which everything is coming safe. So then if something goes wrong, then you don't know what to do. Okay, so it is better that you do the problems in such a way that you should know what to do when things go wrong. Okay, I hope this is clear now to everyone. So by doing what, how the section will be safe, that you have to understand basically. Okay, so while you are solving in the exam, so you should not do so many trials. Now currently we are doing it in the lecture, so no problem. Okay, so by that time you should understand, okay, by increasing what, if I do this, then the section will be safe. Is this clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, quickly take down the next final question. This is the last question for doubly, and after this we will start with the T-beams. Okay, I think today we also have a lecture after the break. So in that we are going to start with the T-beams. So take down one more question. A reinforced concrete beam 450 by 600 effective. A reinforced concrete beam 450 by 600 effective is subjected to factored moment of 750 kilonewton meter. A reinforced concrete beam 450 by 600 effective is subjected to factored moment of 750 kilonewton meter. The beam is reinforced with 3 bars of 25 mm dia on the compression side. The beam is reinforced with 3 bars of 25 dia on the compression side at an effective cover of 50 mm. At an effective cover of 50 mm. Calculate the amount of tension reinforcement required. Calculate the amount of tension reinforcement required. Use M30 and Fe500. Use M30 and Fe500. So that is the question. Yes, the question is clear to everyone. I hope everyone has noted down the question. Yes, am I audible? Question everyone has noted down.
Yes, sir.
तो
Yes or
फैक्टर
no?
मूवमेंट कितना है?
Factored moment of 750 kilonewton meter. Okay, so now this you will do it on your own and you will give me the answers in the next session.